Merry meet everybody. I hope you had a great week and I am here to give you your weekend reading. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Prayers. Today we're doing just one Sacred Path card and today's card bears number 22. I don't really know how to pronounce this, but I think it's called Heyoka. It talks about humor and opposites. One more look at the card. It's lovely, isn't it? What this card is telling us is that we have been taking life too seriously and we need to chill. We need to have fun, we need to laugh about things. But on a serious note, it is also saying that, whatever you've been doing with all this seriousness needs to stop. It really needs to stop. You really need to start having more fun. You need to take things easy. You need to see the brighter side of things, the lighter side of things. You have been taking everything not at face value, but way more gravely than it should really be taken. So this card is telling us about just lightening out and not getting into a space of, oh my god, this is so important, oh my god, this is so heavy, oh my god, I've got to do it just like this. No, crack up, laugh about something. It's important this weekend that you learn to laugh. And remember this, it's very easy to laugh at someone else. It takes all the courage in the universe and the intelligence to laugh at yourself. This card is telling you to laugh at yourself and allow others to laugh at themselves too. You laugh with someone, not at someone. This is what grows closeness, fondness and community. This is the most important message that Heyoka is giving us. It's also saying that you might find someone in your life who makes you laugh. And that person is an absolute treasure. Do not lose this treasure, no matter what. Personally, I believe that laughing is the solution to practically all problems. If you can laugh about something, if you can smile about something, it's never going to be difficult, it's never going to be heavy, it's going to be ephemeral, it's going to be light, it's going to be fun, it's going to be expansive. What this is telling you is just like, let your lungs breathe. Laughter is something that makes your lungs breathe. Let your lungs breathe, laugh. And it takes just two muscles to smile and laugh, and it takes I don't know how many more muscles to frown. So relax, stop using so many muscles, just use two, smile, laugh, have a great time. Oh, and by the way, people looking for flat abs, if you laugh enough, it's automatic ab exercises. On that funny note, I will take your leave and I will see you on the week. Have a great weekend and I love you guys. Bye-bye.